Imagine you going to sleep and you couldn't wake up again. This is one thing that usually happens when you get a heart attack during sleep. Heart attack occurs when blood flow to your heart is being reduced or blocked completely. There are certain habits that can predispose you into getting a heart attack, and that is what I want you to know in this video so that when you avoid it, it can prevent you from a heart attack during sleep. The first thing is late night eating. If you're one kind of person that likes eating heavy meal just before you sleep, it makes your body redirect a lot of blood to your digestive system, and it is the heart that is pumping the blood. And when the workload of your heart increases, that can predispose you into the heart attack. The second thing is neglecting sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a disorder where most of the time your breathing stops and starts, predisposing you into having loud snoring, fatigue, reduced oxygen saturation inside your body. So once you notice that when you are sleeping, you snore a lot and then your breathing stops and starts at some point in time, you should know that it's likely that you are having a sleep apnea. The third major cause is neglecting your BP medications. If you are one kind of person who is being diagnosed of hypertension or high blood pressure and doctor has prescribed medications for you, you should focus on concentrating on the medication. Take your medication if it's in the night before you sleep so that it will control your blood pressure, because if your blood pressure goes high, that can indirectly affect you, leading you into the heart attack. The fourth thing is poor sleep schedule. Poor sleep schedule. If you are one kind of person that do not have enough sleep, most of the time when you sleep, your heart is able to rest a bit, your brain is also resting in order to prepare you for the next day. However, if you are unable to have enough sleep, always there's workload on your heart to be pumping a lot of blood to meet your body's demand, so it will not be resting, and that can increase your blood pressure, predisposing you into heart attack. The fifth thing is increased consumption of alcohol. If you're one kind of person who takes in a lot of alcohol, alcohol has effect on your heart because it can affect your blood vessels supplying your heart. That can predispose you into having a heart attack. So these are the certain kind of things that we do that most of the time predispose us into heart attack. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.